Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. I wasn't even going to record today, but the only reason why I pulled my camera out is y'all all know I used to coupon a little. I really chase deals, not necessarily coupon deals, but glitches, super cheap or super discounted clearance items like 90%, things like that. Today, Walgreens had a glitch in their system where everything in the entire store was ringing up 90% off. And I think I missed the daggone thing. I think I missed it. This is what someone posts. Hopefully y'all could see that. Someone posts this on their Instagram. I'm hoping it comes in because y'all know it'd be a glare on the screen. But that's what they post. So yeah, I was trying to get that deal, and so it looks like I missed it. It looked like I missed it. God, dog. That was someone posted that on Instagram. I just left out of Walgreens trying it because I need soap at home, so I decided to grab some soap and see if it would ring up 90%. So I just grabbed this little cheap soap. It didn't ring up 90%, so I'm assuming they probably fixed it, or this store probably didn't have a glitch. This was $2.99. I mean, it's not bad, but I don't know. And then, of course, I don't know why this lady gave me so many bags. I only got 3 things, and she doubled my bag. And I got my favorites that I'm gonna kind of munch on now. So yeah, I went in there just to see if the glitch was still going. Like I said, I don't think it is. So what I'm finna do is I'm getting ready to read over these comments inside of my Facebook group, this Walgreens Facebook group, to see what everybody's saying. It looked like the last post was 13 minutes ago. Said it was a glitch because my coffee rang up $1.19. The whole store is glitching. How are he gonna stop you from just other stuff? I'm finna put it here. It must be fixed. I think. Okay, I just posted here that I think the glitch is fixed, and then I asked them, were they going to the 24-hour stores or the regular store? Goodness gracious. Shit. Now, I have a 24-hour store down the street from me. I think I'm gonna try this store. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. I was doing this and just thought about recording this. Let me let this thing start. It's taking forever. There we go. Okay. I was in here doing this. This is what I'm doing, y'all. These are the Bath and Body Works candles. And as you see, have tons. This one is already empty. I did this one and all of those. And I just put Okay, y'all, that might be the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.